Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something that you guys ask me so much to teach you. So we're going to make a vegan cream, but we're not going to make only one, we're going to make three with a few variables. So you can make it with practically whatever you have on your pantry. So let's dig into the recipe. Alright, so we're going to make an oat cream, and we're going to make a sunflower seed or cashew or almond cream. I'll explain. And we're going to make a rice cream. All of them very affordable, very easy, especially the rice one, and you're going to love. So here I have a quarter cup of rice, to which I'm going to blend with 2 cups of water. I know it sounds like a lot, but bear with me. We're going to pulse it a few times. And now we're going to transfer this into a pot on a medium-low heat, and we're going to stir it for about 25 minutes. I know it sounds like a lot to stir it for 25 minutes, but bear with me. This is going to be like a maybe 2.5 cups of cream, to which you can freeze, by the way. So you make it once, only once, and then you have a lot to use on your freezer, and this is amazing. Now, to make your rice cream a little bit more full body, you can blend it with plant-based milk instead of water. I love doing it like that. And there you have it, your rice cream. It's a very neutral taste, very inexpensive. This is what I like the most about this recipe. And you can use for anything that you would use, either a regular dairy cream or any kind of vegan cream. It's a perfect substitute. Alright, now we're going to make the oatmeal one, which is also very easy. We're going to take any kind of oatmeal, steel cut or old style, any kind. We're going to put it in a bowl with water, and we're going to leave it there for at least 2 hours because we want it to be very, very soft. Alright, so now we're going to blend the oatmeal. We're going to drain the water and we're going to blend it. Now you have another, again, you can choose between blending it with any kind of plant-based milk of your preference. I love doing that because, again, the cream gets a little bit more full-bodied. So instead of if you blend it with water, but that's totally up to you, okay? And if you want it extra smooth, you can use a cheesecloth and then separate the oats from the actual cream. I don't do it because I really don't mind, but if you want it really, really smooth, you can do it. And our third cream, which can be made with either sunflower seeds, like I made it, or cashews, or almonds, or macadamia. This one here that I made with sunflower seeds, it has a little bit of a stronger taste, but to me, I love it. If you don't like the sunflower seeds, you can use cashews, like I said, or any other of the nuts that I've just mentioned. And we start by soaking the sunflower seeds or the nuts. If you're in a hurry, you can soak them in boiling water for 30-40 minutes, or you can just leave them soaking overnight. It doesn't really matter. Again, now we blend it either with water or with plant-based milk. Have it. To the rice cream and to the oat cream, you can choose to add a tablespoon of a neutral taste oil, okay, not olive oil, but a neutral taste, just to make it a little bit more rich, because most of the vegan creams we buy, it has a little bit of a fat component to it, but you can choose. I mean, if you're oil free, you don't need to add oil. And it's up to you. So, have you liked this recipe? I don't know why I have waited so long, because it's been years that I don't buy vegan cream anymore, because I don't have to. Isn't this brilliant? And I hope you like it. I hope you make it. By the way, this is a very nice thing I have been dying to share with you. You know, sometimes you say, oh, Chef Jana, I really wish I could send this recipe to my aunt or to my cousin or to my mom, but they don't speak English. Now you can, child. Now you can, because I have translated my website to several languages, and you can either translate it, for example, to Hindi or to Chinese, or how about Norwegian, German. So there is no more excuse. You can share my recipes and my website to anybody you want. Alright, so this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make it and please tag me if you make it. I love when you guys do that. And apart from that, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, follow me on my social media, and I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.